Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Smartsheet reminders and notification rules step by step clearly. To install Smartsheet reminders and notification rules, start by logging into your Smartsheet account. Navigate to the specific sheet where you want to set up reminders. Click on the Automation tab located at the top menu. Select Create Workflow from the drop-down options. In the Workflow editor, click on Trigger to define when the reminder should be sent. Choose a trigger type that suits your needs, such as when a date is reached or when a row is added. Next, specify the conditions for the trigger based on your project requirements. After setting the trigger, move to the Actions section within the editor. Select Send Alert from the list of available actions. Customize the alert by selecting who should receive the notification. You can choose specific users, collaborators, or even email addresses. Add a message to the alert to provide context about the reminder. Next, decide if you want to include the content of the row in the message for added clarity. Once everything is set, take a moment to review your workflow. Make sure the trigger and actions align with your project goals. If everything looks good, click on Save to finalize your workflow. You can also use the test feature to ensure the reminder is functioning as intended. After testing, you can return to your Smartsheet homepage to view your workflow in action. Remember to revisit your automation settings periodically to adjust for any project changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.